Today, I wanted to take the opportunity to discuss the benefits of multimedia within the classroom. Over the last 5 years, I've used multimedia in a variety of ways, especially with videos. But just because you always do something in your classroom does not necessarily mean that it's effective for the students. According to the National Teacher Training Institute, multimedia provides students with endless opportunities. It allows them the opportunity to explore new things like inside the human body, Jupiter, or other historical landmarks they may not be able to see otherwise. It also provides students with opportunities to learn about new and complex subject matters in different ways, to witness different experiences they may not be able to see within the classroom, or simply bring boring subjects like history or English to life through the use of videos. The Institute also brings up how it appeals to a wide range of learning styles, specifically visual learners, how it helps engage students in media literacy and critical viewing skills, as well as giving them a common experience to discuss upon within the classroom. Edutopia also corroborates these points by saying that videos provide students the opportunity to learn about new information in the flashy, colorful, exciting sort of way that they're used to seeing online, on TV, on social media, etc. While showing videos in class is one thing, it's another thing to give students the opportunity to use video and multimedia as a way to demonstrate their own learning, as described by we teachers. Students can now use a variety of tools within the classroom, including WeVideo, iMovie, Powtoon, Flipgrid, and so much more, as a way to show their learning to their teachers. Even though we're in 2018, there are still many people who are skeptical about the benefits of multimedia in the classroom. Some say it takes too much time, others say that students lose too much focus during the videos, and others say there's really no purpose or reason for them to happen within the classroom. Contrary to these beliefs, the Video in Teaching and Learning for New York State Educators argues that effective video-based learning requires framing for students so they know the context of the videos, focusing of the student so they know which information and details to stay focused on, and following up with the students to give them the opportunity to not only summarize what they saw, but to also discuss the things that they witnessed. On a personal note, I was just recently reminded of the power of video within the classroom after the horrific events that occurred at the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida. While combing through resources and videos to possibly show my kids to help us have a discussion about this horrific event, I came across a video segment by ABC News that showed some of the videos that the students had actually taken on Snapchat and Instagram or just their video cameras of what was actually happening inside the classroom. I didn't want to scare any of my students, but I also wanted them to see a side of shootings that we don't often see when we discuss them within the classroom. After framing the context of the video and what it contained, I asked students to be focused on the emotions that those within the video were experiencing, whether it was the students, the teachers, or the first responders. We immediately followed up with the video by having a classroom discussion about the things that we witnessed. During the discussion, many students thanked me for showing them this video, as it showed them a side to these events that we don't always see, which is the raw emotions that people are experiencing. Many students also thanked me for showing them these videos because some of them had actually seen them already on Snapchat or Instagram, but didn't exactly know how to process this information. In the end, multimedia has a powerful and beneficial role within the classroom as long as it is well planned, framed, focused, and followed up. Thank you.